Welcome to Tom's Aviation. Enjoy the next video.
Hi, good morning. My name is Teresa Redondo and I am the founder of ArtCraft Paint Inc., located in Santa Maria, California. And this is Brenda.
Hi, I'm Brenda. I am sales manager at ArtCraft Paint. And some of the services that we offer is full paint, interior window replacement. We're a one-stop shop. Do a few other things such as
like ceramic coating, corrosion X. We disassemble the airplanes completely, remove flight controls, and do a true inspection on the fuselage when the plane is completely naked, bare metal.
everything that we do is customized, whether it's the design or the interior. You pick it, we execute it.
We would like to have customers to make decisions on what is going to be the easy sell color selection for exterior and interior. And that's one of the biggest things that I enjoy the most, is helping customers to make the right decision and add value to their aircraft. So aside from doing a complete paint job or full interior, we also offer the service of window replacement, ceramic coating, corrosion X, inspections, and
fiberglass repairs, a whole bunch of stuff. We're located in Santa Maria, California, the beautiful Central Coast. You can reach us by going to our website, which is www.artcraftpaint.com, or any of our social media platforms, Instagram, all of them.
You can also email Brenda at artcraftpaint.com or call us at 805-925-5934. That's our office phone number. And surprisingly, in our company, we believe that when someone calls, it's always going to be a human answering the call. So it's very personal business. So most of the projects, it takes between 4 to 6 weeks, but keep it in mind that it all depends on if you have a very complex design, if your airplane has a lot of damage, like hail damage, that we need to repair fiberglass piece, all of that, it changes the timing. But if it's just a straightforward, complete strip and paint, simple design, base color, simple design, it's 6 weeks. And
interiors as well.
Interiors as well. And also we have the ability to do an expedite fee for like flight school fleets, 135s, or if you use your aircraft for business, on a daily basis. Of course, we have that ability to make it go faster than normal. Hi, my name is Teresa Redondo and I'm the founder of ArtCraft. ArtCraft is an aircraft painting facility, and what we do is we paint airplanes. This is an example of the work that we do. Pilot Institute became our customer, and this has been displayed at Oshkosh twice already because it's such a nice airplane, but also the quality of the job that we have done. The color selection, it matched perfectly with their logo. And so this airplane is made out of carbon fiber, and that is a product that we're specialized on. So, you guys can see what a beautiful airplane is and what a nice design they have, beautiful colors, but the quality. We not only paint airplanes, but also we do window replacement. We also do a full interior and corrosion X on the ones that are metal. Also ceramic coating to make it a nice, sleek, and very, very shiny. So here is, you can contact us at ArtCraft Paint Inc., which is www.artcraftpaint.com, or you can call the 805-925-5934. Stay tuned. And I'm going to have Melissa showcase our paintwork.
Here's a beautiful striped design with the pink and royal blue. And here we have the beautiful design from the tail to the registration number. And here's a beautiful example. We turn an aircraft into ArtCraft. And here's a beautiful example how we can turn your aircraft into ArtCraft.
Hi, my name is Teresa Redondo, and this is another good example of what we do at ArtCraft in Santa Maria. We team up with Aviation, Black Hawk, to have this beautiful TBM displayed here at the Boeing Plaza at EAA. This is what we do. We turn aircraft into ArtCraft.
Avix out of Camarillo, California brought us a paint scheme, and ArtCraft fulfilled the request. And look at how beautiful it finishes on the tail.
So I'm Teresa from ArtCraft Paint and Interior, and this is one of the good examples of the craftsmanship and the work that we do in our facility. You can see right here that we did all leather, very well sewed detail, side panels, and also the seats with a very customized design for this specific aircraft. We ended installing a new seatbelt system, headliner. All the cuts and everything here were very specifically for this airplane. So this is also another piece of the stuff that we did for this airplane. This carpet was customized to a specific size, and you can see the detail right here, the leather, and also the edges. You know, ArtCraft has all the equipment to do a very detailed carpet system. And right now I'm going to show you, like how much detail is in this paint job. A Cessna 140 vintage that's been awarded 2 years in a row due to the very, very clear detail and original vintage. You can see right here on the wheel pans, like the detail that we have done, and it's presented a couple years in a row being an award winning. And at ArtCraft, we don't stop just on painting. We also have a graphics interior, department where we cut all the stencils and we do like all the lettering, the end number design, the style that you prefer. Here is a very vintage looking logo and lettering.
Thank you for watching.